You'll get to know the 9 best passive income ideas that will make you a millionaire. The ninth idea is the most risk-free one, so watch this video till the end to know it. Now let's start. Number 1. Stocks that distribute dividends. Dividend stocks offer consistent cash returns derived from the profits of the company. Investing in dividend aristocrats, such as Johnson & Johnson and Procter & Gamble, which have consistently raised their dividends for over 25 years, can provide dependable income streams. With average yields ranging from 2 to 6% each year, the true advantage lies in reinvesting dividends through drips, allowing you to enhance your returns over time by purchasing additional shares. Initiating your investment journey is quite simple. Establish a brokerage account. Conduct thorough research on companies that have a proven track record of strong dividends, and start allocating your funds accordingly. It's important to keep in mind that qualified dividends generally receive more advantageous tax treatment than ordinary income. In individual retirement accounts, reinvesting dividends remains tax-free until you decide to withdraw the funds during retirement. Make sure to do some research when you are buying any stock, as if the stock price falls, your unrealized profit also turns negative, and thus you should never listen to any YouTubers blindly and invest. Not to me even. Number 2. Real estate investment trusts, REITs. REITs provide an opportunity to invest in physical property while avoiding the complexities of property management. These companies manage or provide funding for income-generating properties in diverse sectors and are required to distribute 90% of their taxable income to shareholders, leading to yields that are generally higher, typically 3 to 8%, than those of average stocks. When assessing REITs, it's important to consider more than just dividend yield. Focus on metrics such as funds from operations, FFO, and adjusted FFO, as these provide a clearer picture of financial health. REITs provide the advantage of stock-like liquidity while allowing for exposure to real estate. However, it's important to be aware that they may experience volatility, particularly during economic downturns or periods of rising interest rates. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more passive income ideas. Number 3. Engaging in the sale of option contracts. Engaging in options trading allows for the generation of income by collecting premiums, but there is a high risk, and you must be very aware and should set a strict stop loss. By utilizing covered calls, you grant another party the option to purchase shares you currently hold at a predetermined price, allowing you to earn a premium whether or not they choose to exercise that option. Cash-secured puts entail the strategy of selling put options while reserving sufficient funds to buy shares if the options are exercised. This approach allows for the collection of premiums and the opportunity to acquire stocks at potentially discounted prices. These strategies generally yield monthly returns of 1 to 3% on your capital. However, it's essential to obtain options approval from your broker and to be aware of the associated risks, as I already said, such as the capped upside potential with covered calls and the downside exposure linked to cash-secured puts. Number 4. Bond ladder investments. Implementing a bond ladder can provide a reliable income stream while effectively managing interest rate risk. This strategy involves diversifying investments across bonds that have staggered maturity dates. As each bond matures, you invest again in a new bond at the highest point of your ladder, establishing a continuous income stream that adjusts to fluctuations in interest rates. Consider various options such as government bonds, which offer safety but typically yield lower returns, municipal bonds, which may provide tax advantages, and corporate bonds, which can deliver higher yields but come with increased risk. For those with smaller investment portfolios, bond ETFs, and bond mutual funds provide comparable advantages, including enhanced diversification and reduced minimum investment requirements. Number 5. Investment in rental properties. Investing in real estate rentals can provide you with a steady monthly income, the possibility of property value increasing over time, and various tax benefits that can enhance your overall financial strategy. Effective investment begins with careful property selection, taking into account factors such as location, condition, and income potential. A common guideline for quick assessment is the 1% rule, which suggests that the monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. Utilizing leverage enhances your potential returns by enabling you to manage significant assets while only committing a small portion of the initial investment. Engaging a property manager, which usually costs between 8 to 12% of the monthly rent, can transform this into a more passive investment, albeit at the expense of your net income. Number 6. Peer-to-peer lending. P2P lending platforms facilitate direct connections between lenders and borrowers, bypassing the need for traditional banking intermediaries. Leading platforms provide annual returns between 5% and 9%, with the potential for increased returns when investing in higher-risk borrowers. Achieving success involves diversification, allocating resources across numerous loans to reduce the effects of any individual default. Many platforms enable you to begin investing with modest sums per loan, typically ranging from $25 to $50, which makes it feasible for those with constrained financial resources. Many platforms provide automated investment options tailored to your specific criteria, which further enhances the passive nature of this income stream. Number 7. Develop digital products. The digital economy facilitates the development of products that can be produced once and sold repeatedly, incurring minimal additional costs. Digital products such as ebooks, online courses, design templates, software, and stock photography have the potential to create a steady stream of income with minimal upkeep required. Although developing a product demands a considerable initial investment of time and effort, digital products enjoy the advantage of no additional production costs, enabling creators to achieve substantial profit margins on every sale. Marketing continues to be a fundamental necessity, although numerous creators ultimately establish systems to streamline their promotional efforts. Number 8. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing entails the promotion of products, allowing you to earn commissions when your target audience makes purchases through their affiliate links. Commission structures generally vary between 5% and 30%, influenced by the product category, with digital products frequently providing more favorable rates compared to physical goods. Generating substantial affiliate income hinges on cultivating trust with your audience by providing valuable content in areas where you possess authentic expertise. Traffic requirements can differ, yet effective affiliate marketers generally require a minimum of 10,000 monthly visitors to a social media platform to start seeing significant revenue. Conversion rates usually fall between 1 to 3%. Number 9. High-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit. Although they may yield lower returns compared to other passive income strategies, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit offer a secure source of income with minimal management required on your part. Online banks generally provide higher rates compared to traditional institutions, primarily because of their reduced overhead costs. Certificates of deposit provide more attractive interest rates in return for a commitment of funds over designated time frames. CD laddering involves distributing investments among CDs that have varying maturity dates, effectively balancing your liquidity requirements while aiming to enhance returns. Both savings accounts and CDs offer FDIC insurance coverage up to $250,000 per deposit or per institution, positioning them as excellent options for emergency funds and short-term passive income strategies. Watch the video appearing on the left side to know the signs that show a person is rich. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 10,000 subscribers.